So there comes a time in year-round gardening when you have to sacrifice the existing summer crop and plant the winter crop, and that can be pretty painful when you're taking out your peppers in particular. And you know, there's still a lot of peppers on these plants, and you know, yep, it's pretty painful to take them all out. We don't actually like green peppers, so we distribute them to all of our local friends and family, and of course they welcome them, but it would be nice to ripen them. The way that I try to do it is I take out one bed a week, basically, between, you know, the sort of middle of September and the middle of October. And this particular bed that I've just taken out right now is going to be spinach. And of course, it seems like a kind of unfair trade, peppers for spinach, but when it comes to winter and you haven't got many greens, that spinach bed will be really welcome. And our freezer is stuffed full of peppers. We've made tons and tons of passatas, we've pickled peppers. We are just overwhelmed with peppers at this point, and we just don't need these plants. And so out they have to come. But I think a lot of gardeners kind of just cling on too long to the summer crops, and that means there's just not enough time for the transition. I'm in the polytunnel right now. This polytunnel has got 2 weeks left. It doesn't matter how many tomatoes and cucumbers and whatever are left in this polytunnel. It is coming out in October so that this polytunnel can be completely cleared, cleaned down, and then replanted with all the winter crops, because all those winter crops and spring crops, they're going to keep us going all the way through winter and early spring. And it's a good trade. You know, a couple of more weeks of tomatoes is not worth it for an abundant winter and spring. So yeah, that's all I want to talk about. Just the sacrifice that you have to be prepared to make if you're a year-round gardener. My name is Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.